admit that Krishan's not the big bad wolf that you guys thought she was. You want to go and defend her up and down because she is not the big bad wolf you thought she was. No girl on the fucking card who entered to fight Krishan Rock was anywhere the caliber. Boxing is about prize fighting. If Blueface will demolish me, why did he duck my fate 3 times?
Yeah, 'cause he already called him out all those.
Try me.
A lot of times.
He called up to Extreme Couture Gym, and his team were looking for a fighter, and they said, hey, do you have any influencers? They went, pulled me, and you know what he said? Their team said, he's too tall. And then he fought that little white boy on BKFC. Then, WAC 100 was sitting there with my co-star, Eazy-E Jr. online. It was public, and it still is public, saying that Sam was the best person to fight Blueface. So you guys can kill that noise. I would love and respectfully fight Blueface right now where I'm standing right now.
Yeah,
If you
for
don't believe
anyone,
me, you can call my Uncle Corrupt. Corrupt even lined it up as well and said, hey, we need to do this. But what happened? Blueface ended up in jail. But it's cool.